Hello everyone, today we will start 9.2 Angles and Radian Measure. So first we have to learn how to draw an angle. If your angle is a positive, if it is a positive angle, you will move in a counterclockwise direction. Like this is quadrant, it's a 0 degree, you will move in this direction. If the angle is negative, then we will move in a clockwise direction. So in a clockwise direction like this. Let's start it. We have to draw the angle 240 degree. 240 degree. This is 0, this is 180 and this is 270. Difference of 90. So I want 240. 240 is here. You will move from this and end up till this. That's it. This is 270 degree. This total angle is 240 degree here. Now, if it is a 500, in a one quadrant, complete circle with we forms a one circle only up to this 360. But we need 500 degree. How much we want? We need 140 more. So it's after that 140 there. So this is 500 degree. In case it is a negative, if it is a negative 50 degree, you can move in opposite direction. 0 to 50 only because it's a total 90 degree. I want negative 50 only. So negative 50 degree. Okay, it's done. Next, find one positive and one negative angle that are coterminal. Coterminal angle means the angle in which the terminal ray is the same. So if I draw an angle, I draw this angle. So this is some angle, right? If I draw angle from the opposite direction, it also ended this. So these two angles are coterminal. Apart from that, if I choose an angle that completes one circle, it completes one circle and come back to this is also coterminal. So either one in opposite direction or one in a same direction by completing one circle. So the concept is you have to add 360 or you have to subtract 360 to find a coterminal angle. In our case, the angle is 395. So 395 plus 360. It will be 0, 57. 750 degree. Another is subtract 360. If I subtract 360, I will get 35. This is also positive, but question was saying I want one negative also. So when I want one negative, I will subtract ones more. 395, 1 times 360, now I am subtracting again 360. So 2 times 360 I am subtracting. So we'll get minus 325 degree. Done. So you have two coterminal angles, one positive and one negative here, like this. Similarly, you can choose for negative 45. Just add 360, you will get a positive answer. Subtract 360, you will get a negative answer. So these two are coterminal angles for negative 45 degree. Next is conversion of degrees into radian. So here it's just different units of angle. Angle in a degree converted into radian measures. The formula is radians equals to degree times pi over 180. You wanted a radian as the answer because degree is provided. So I will use this formula. Radian is equals to degree times pi over 180. Just cancel the term that you can cancel. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. So I am getting 2 by 3 pi. This is 120 degree in radians. In radians, it is 2 by 3 pi. If it is already in the pi form, already in the radians, then we will convert into degrees. Question says, convert degree into radians or radian into degrees. Same formula. I am using the same formula, just arrange the term. Because now degrees we have to calculate, radian is provided. So I am rearranging this formula. Degree is equals to radians times 180 over pi. So radian value is this. Multiply by 180 over pi. Pi and pi cancel. So 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 2 1s are 2. 2 15s are 30 here. So we will get this. We are getting 15 degree is the answer. Okay. Now, we have a softball field from a sector with a dimension like this. Find the length of the outer fence and the area of the field. Okay. It's like a part of a circle, right? So what is the circumference of circle? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. In our case, it is not a complete circle, it is a some part of the circle. And they provide you the angle is 90 degree. So it is some fraction of the total circumference. So how much fraction? 90 degree. 90 degree of what? 90 degree from 360. Because if it is a complete circle, it will be have a angle 360 degree. So 90 over 360, then 2 pi r. This is a arc length formula. The formula for the arc length. Let's find arc length of field. Angle is 90 degree over 360. 2 as it is, pi as it is, r. R is a radius. So radius is 200. 0 and 0 cancel. 9 4s are 36. 2 2s are 4. 2 and 2 cancel. So we are left with 100 pi. 100 pi units feet. So this is your answer for softball field. If you want, you can convert into pi or convert pi value. Multiply that with the pi value. It's 3.14. So 314 something feet. Now we have to find the area also. It's not a complete circle. So it is some fraction of the circle. Half of the circle, 1/4 of the circle, like that. It's a fraction of circle. So that is known as a sector. So I will say area of sector. Area of sector is whatever the angle you have over 360. Here is not 90, especially 90 was for this example. If you have a different angle, you can use the angle accordingly. Theta over 360 multiply by area of circle, pi r square. So we will write the formula here. Area of a field is equals to 90 over 360 by 200 square. 0 and 0 cancel. 9 4s are 36. So pi 200 square. It's a 40000 over 4 also. 4 and 4 cancel. 10,000 times pi each square. You can leave your answer here or you can multiply with the pi value. Around this, something will be this. Each square. Okay, so it's done. Angle was provided in the degrees, so we are using the degree form. Theta over the total angle 360. If the angle is given in a radians form, then you have to use the same formula, but instead of 360 you will choose 2 pi, because 360 degree is 2 pi in a radians. Okay, otherwise the formula is same. Alright, so this was 9.2. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.